There's an old dog at my feet, gray around his nose and eyes, been with me through the lean years, through the rain and clearer skies. He don't ask me where I've been, don't care if I succeed or fail, just lifts his head when I come home and slowly wags his tail. Found him at the shelter, nobody wanted him back then. Too old, they said, too tired, guess we both knew how that ends. But he still had some miles left, and so I think did I. Now we take our walks at dawn, watch the seasons cycle by. There's a kind of love that don't demand, don't question, don't complain, just sits beside you in the dark and licks away the pain. Some folks spend their whole life searching for what I already know. There's grace in how he looks at me, like I'm the only home. His hips don't work like they used to, mine ain't doing great either. We move a little slower now through the winter weather, but he still thinks he's protecting me from the mailman in the wind. Still sleeps across the doorway, my own faithful friend. There's a kind of love that don't demand, don't question, don't complain, just sits beside you in the dark and licks away the pain. Some folks spend their whole life searching for what I already know. There's grace in how he looks at me, like I'm the only home. I know the day is coming when I'll have to let him go. Hold him one last time and tell him what he ought to know. That he made the world less lonely, made the hard years easier to bear. That he loved me without reason, and I loved him back the same. Now he's at my feet, and that's enough for me. Two old souls together right where we're supposed to be.